So how can you fix when the Apple Maps sound is simply not working on iPhone? Let's explain that and let's fix that. So if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So whenever you start your like navigation, when you select the destination, whatever, and you'll then be able to see a little like sound icon on the screen. Like let's say you pick the driving directions, you'll be able to see the sound icon, and that is for the voice control. So you can see we have the three options. It might be muted, alerts only, or unmuted. So that might cause the sound to not working. Let's say you have it on alerts only, then it's not going to give you the spoken instructions which you perhaps expect. So make sure you select it to be unmuted. Then we also have the volume selection. So by default, it's going to be set to normal, but you can also make it louder or softer if you want to do that, right? That's how you can change it still within the Apple Maps application. But it's also important to go to the settings app of your phone, tap on apps at the bottom and locate the Apple Maps right here. As in here, you also have some other things which you might want to be looking at, right? So for example, you can go to the spoken directions, and in there, you can see again the voice volume, so the loud, normal, or softer. But you also have the directions on radio, directions wake service, and the directions pause spoken audio. So you can see it has like more ways to interfere with your, using of the phone if you are using navigation at the point. So it's also important to check out this section right here. And also keep in mind that something like setting or turning up the volume of your phone, or if you're using CarPlay, just make sure that your car speakers are, loud enough for you to hear it. So some basic thing like that might also prevent the maps sound from working properly. So let me know if you managed to do it and fix it for you. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.